how to unlock a new area in Royal Match. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can unlock a new area in Royal Match. And how do you do so? For you to be able to unlock a new area in Royal Match, you have to ensure that you've completed all the tasks in the current area that you want. You can see your area under the Home tab, okay? So each area in Royal Match presents a set of tasks. So these tasks differ. So your mission is to conquer all the tasks in the current area. Then once you've conquered all the tasks, move to the bottom left corner where you can see the area icon and just click on it. Then you'll be brought to the areas page. Now, as you can see that there are different areas, right? And most of them are locked. Okay, so the reason why they are locked is because I have not finished. If I don't finish one, I can't go to another. So for you, like I said, once you've triumphed over every task in your current area and you're on your new area page, you would find a magical button labeled new area on this page because you have fulfilled all that you need to. So just tap on the button and then the castle gates for the next area would swing open and you can now continue in the game. So you cannot unlock your games. You cannot unlock a new area if you've not completed your tasks and if you do not have enough gems. So if you are wondering how you can unlock a new area, I'm sure this has answered your question. So ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video. Thank you for watching and have fun on Real Match.